Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mind Detective. Today, we're cracking the code of attraction. We all know that feeling, wanting someone special to like you back. But how do you do it without coming across as creepy or desperate? Fear not, lovebirds, because in this video, we'll unveil 10 psychological hacks to make her like you, all while keeping things genuine and respectful. So grab your metaphorical magnifying glass, and let's delve into the fascinating world of human connection. Hack 1. Own your life. Imagine this. You meet someone incredible, but your life revolves solely around them. Not exactly a recipe for attraction. People are drawn to those who are passionate and have their own thing going on, so cultivate your hobbies, interests, and goals. When you're confident and fulfilled, it shines through, making you a more magnetic person. Hack 2. Unleash your inner hobbyist. Having a genuine passion is a superpower. It shows you're curious, engaged with life, and potentially someone who can teach her something new. Plus, it gives you something interesting to talk about, sparking conversation and revealing a side of you that's undeniably attractive. Hack 3. Master the art of hygiene. Let's be honest, feeling fresh and clean is a basic necessity. It shows you respect yourself and those around you. A spritz of cologne or a nice perfume can add a touch of confidence too. But remember, a hint goes a long way. Hack 4. The Benjamin Franklin effect. This is a sneaky one, but it works. Psychologist Benjamin Franklin discovered that if you do someone a small favor, they're more likely to view you positively. So, next time you see her, ask to borrow a pen, or offer to hold her coffee while she gets something. It's a subtle way to create a connection. Hack 5. Laughter is the best medicine. Everyone loves to laugh. Sharing a good chuckle is a fantastic way to build rapport and ease tension. Now, you don't have to be a stand-up comedian, but work on your observational humor and lightheartedness. If you can make her smile, you're halfway there. Hack 6. Be her friend, but not just a friend. Friendship is the foundation of any great relationship. Get to know her, listen to her, and be someone she can rely on. But remember, there's a difference between being a friend and being stuck in the friend zone. If you want more, eventually, you have to make your move. Hack 7. The power of touch, done right. Touch can be a powerful tool, but it's crucial to be respectful. A light touch on the arm during a conversation shows you're engaged, but anything more could be misconstrued. Read the situation and keep it casual. Hack 8. Share a secret. Revealing something personal fosters trust and intimacy. It doesn't have to be your deepest, darkest secret, but something that shows vulnerability. This creates a sense of connection and encourages her to reciprocate. Hack 9. The art of attention. In our tech-filled world, genuine attention is a rare commodity. When she's talking, put your phone away, make eye contact, and truly listen. This shows you're interested in her and what she has to say. Hack 10. Confidence is key. Confidence is the ultimate aphrodisiac. Work on loving yourself, your strengths, and your quirks. When you believe in yourself, it shows. People are naturally drawn to those who exude self-assurance. Remember, these hacks are just a starting point. Be yourself, be genuine, and treat her with respect. The right person will appreciate you for who you are. That's the real key to unlocking attraction. Thanks for joining us on The Mind Detective. If you enjoyed these tips, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. See you next time.